Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Dodge Charger Super Bee with a Hemi and a slapstick automatic transmission. It was in the bright blue as well, so it was definitely an eye catcher. This one I recorded at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. They made 4,325 Super Bees in 1971. And out of that, 22 had the Hemi. 9 of those had the 4-speed, and 13 had the heavy-duty Torqueflite automatic transmission. So this guy is one of 13 made in 1971. And the other numbers with the 340 4-barrel, you had 268 automatics and 39 4-speeds. The 383 had 2,889 automatics and 766 with the 4-speed. The 440 Magnum with the 4-barrel, you had 26 made with auto and 4-speed combined. With the 440 6-pack, you had 69 automatic cars and 30 with the 4-speed. And then there was one Hemi car produced that went to Canada. So you had a total of 4,325 71 Dodge Charger Super Bees made in 1971. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.